What's wrong?
It's nothing. Just got eyes in my sand.
You mean sand in your eyes? Let me see. I can get it out for you.
Oh man, this is so embarrassing! Okay, fine. My mom's the only other person who'll play this with me, so I got emotional. Big deal!
We're friends now.
My birthday party's in 10 days, and everyone in the past is gonna be there. I drew you a map so you wouldn't get lost.
Lee Manor's renowned.
I guess. But you're coming, aren't you?
Well,
Oh, come on! I don't care if they don't come, but you gotta be there!
why is that?
Maybe because you're my only friend?
You're my only friend, too. Do you have any other wishes?
Wishes? Yeah, like I said, my wish is you come to my party!